Hello. We are going to talk about our Matlab lecture number 2. In lecture number 2, we have only two demonstrations. The first demonstration is you are going to import a data, and second is you are going to draw a figure or plot a figure. Let's start from our first one, how to import file. You may check your email to see if there is attachment. I will attach the test.dat into your email, so you could check, or you could just go to the computer lab and find R drive instead of Q drive instead of R drive. You could check that in the in your PowerPoint. Okay, actually it's Q drive. I just check it. So just find the Q drive, find for ME110 directory, and then you will be able to find the test.data. Okay, so here's how you import the data. You just drag the files like this. You just drag the file to the current directory. Then you will see your test data in this window. Okay, then right click the test data. There's an import data button. Click it. Okay, then just go next and finished. Then the test data will goes to here. Okay, so actually the test data is a matrix form. It's a 10 by 2 matrix, I believe. Let me check it. Okay, so all you need to do is just say a matrix equals to a matrix is equal to test matrix. So let's see. Okay, so yes, it's a 10 by 2 matrix. Okay, so in our first demonstration, you are going to show is you could use a command to show the rows or the columns in this test matrix. So let's see. So first thing is we have a command like a equals to the test matrix, which is we just imported. We are going to show the third row, so you just type in 3, third row. We are going to show this one, third row. Okay, third row, and we are not showing any columns, so we just put a column at the column indicator. Okay, then click enter. You will get the third row in this matrix. Okay, the same thing. If you want to show, say, second row, okay, second row actually got the right hand side of this matrix, so you just put column because we don't want to show any in the rows. Okay, then second column, you will see it will display the second column of the test matrix. Okay, so quite straightforward for the first demonstration. Okay, then second thing we are going to do is we are going to plot. Okay, so plot command is quite easy. You just type plot, then use okay, let me see. Okay, you need to define x and y, so let's define x and y first. Okay, so let's say x is equal to the test matrix first column, so we put the first column here. This 1 2 3 4 5, you can see here this first column is equal to x, and y is equal to test matrix second column of test matrix. and would put a semicolon here, just avoid it to display. Okay, so you got X and Y here. So now we could plot. So let's plot X comma Y. Then you will see there's a figure pop out. So this is the figure you just plot. Okay, and there is actually has a lot of different layout for the figure. You could use some command to make it dashed. You could use some command to make it dashed and point out. So those command is demonstrate in the PowerPoint. So I just kind of demonstrate one, but you could find it in the PowerPoint. Okay, so let's say we would like to plot and dotted line, and we would like make it dark. So okay, we would like to make the data point show us a diamond, so we put a D, and the line is dark or black, so we put a K here. Okay, so that's the command for the style of the plot line. Don't forget to put X and Y here. Then for the command you need to quote it, so we put the quoted mark here and here. So this means that is dashed and also data pointed. D here means the data point is a diamond, and K here means the color is black. Then we make a plot, see what this figure looks like. Okay, it looks like this: dashed line, diamond out the data point. Okay, so I think you will be able to do the second time demonstration. Okay, let me see there. Oh, there's a plotting continue. Okay, so we are not going to just only do the line style. We also want to put the labels on x-axis and y-axis. So the command is quite straightforward. So we just put the x label as the x-axis label. Okay, so let's put x-axis for the x label, y-axis as y label. Okay, y-axis, and we also like to put title. Okay, let's say the title is just graph title. Okay, put a semicolon here, hit enter, then let's see. Okay, you got y-axis, x-axis here, and a graphic title. So that's pretty much for the second Matlab demonstration. So thank you for your time, and if you have any question, you could email me. Okay, have a good night. Bye bye.